Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are getting a course error, then this video is for you. CORS stands for Cross Origin Resource Sharing. It happens when your front end tries to call an API from a different domain, port, or protocol, and the server blocks it. This is a browser security rule and it is not a bug on your front end or your backend part. Since both of these are hosted differently, there is a security browser rule which blocks the requests. So if you're using AWS API gateway, this rule is simple and it is built in. So let's just walk through on how you can solve this issue easily. All right, so your front end is calling the API gateway endpoint, but the browser is blocking it. For REST APIs, open your API in the AWS console, select the resources and the HTTP method you're calling, for example, for get or post. Now click Actions and enable CORS. Add your allowed origin, for example, in this case, it is localhost 3000. Then you have to enable these headers, content type, and you have to set it to authorization. And the third one, you need to select and allow methods, for example, get, post, put, delete, or options. Click enable CORS and replace the existing CORS headers. This automatically creates an option method and injects the required headers. After that, deploy the API to your stage. Without deployment, CORS changes won't apply. And this is how you fix this issue. Once that is done and everything is implemented, you will not be facing the CORS error anymore. This is it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please send it in the comment section and I will see you in the next one.